It's my first time printing with PETG. The printer is running with standard generic PETG settings, 250 on the nozzle for the hot end. It's been running for about 10 or 15 minutes, and it started recently making this high-pitched whine. I think maybe it's coming from the nozzle fan. I suppose it could also be coming from the left hot end fan, but I don't think that's the one. In this video you might also hear squeaking coming from the Bondtech gears. I've had that for a while now and haven't been able to figure out exactly what's going on there. I've tried adjusting the idler tension. Doesn't seem to make any difference. But I'm mostly concerned about the whine from the fan right now. I'm wondering if somebody can comment on what's going on there.